This is my last job show. It's not the Tom Green show. This is my favorite show because it is my show. If this was your show, you'd probably like it more than I would. That's just because it was your show, but it's not your show. It's my last job show.
This video shows what 2.5 hours of work looks like, condensed into 5 minutes. I started with white tiles, and then I decided that black would look better in the light. As we got closer to the walls, the ceiling tiles started to have to be cut, and that was not bad. As I was getting the work done, Ham decided he wanted to play and run around, so we did some of that. Mostly I needed some coffee too. Oh hey, look at that, a different angle. You get to see my face. Look up my nose, you see them boogers? Fantastic. Almost done. With these lights, I bought some deli clips. They got clips on both ends, and then I string them along the board, clipping the lights to the board. Seemed like it worked out pretty well in the end. To create our own content, we're going to use some AI stuff, and I bashed my head against the keyboard trying to get Pinocchio to install Magnet because of some dependencies, and then Windows error. So instead of that, I just scrapped it all. I went with TTS Web UI local install for my Magnet and other such musical AIs. The end.